Friend, I just launched the Better Together community. It's a supportive, safe space created for creative crafters just like you who want to turn their creativity into cash. Here you'll discover invaluable opportunities to master practical skills such as Canva, design software, DTF printing, vinyl crafting, sublimation techniques, and effective marketing content creations. With live support, ready made templates, and clear step by step guidance at your fingertips, we empower you to confidently design, print, and sell your creations without feeling lost or overwhelmed. This isn't just my community, it's our community, a place where we unite to reach our goals together. Join now for just $5 and unlock a treasure of exclusive courses. I understand the importance of pacing, which is why you can tailor your learning experience to fit your individual needs. Dive into the classes and the courses that resonate with you the most. And best part, you'll have direct access to me for any questions or support you need along the way. Don't miss this chance to be a part of something special. Join today for just $5. I can't wait to welcome you inside, my friend. Only watch the ones that you need to learn, and you get access to me. Again, join now for $5. See you inside, friend.